Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step 4 of your 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 4 is a verification of proper airflow and static pressure. As you'll learn in the videos further on, airflow is really important to these things. You got to imagine yourself running a marathon in Antarctica. It's freezing cold and you're running, you're out of breath, you're freezing, and then somebody says, here, run the marathon again while breathing through a straw. Static pressure is the same thing. If we can't get enough airflow through here and the static pressure is too high, it causes the system to overwork. That can cause air conditioner coils to freeze up. It can cause compressors to have issues outside, which means more energy is being used, so a higher utility bill that's unnecessary. But the biggest thing is we don't want premature failure on this indoor equipment. We want the proper amount of airflow through here. So the manufacturer has a suggestion for airflow for each unit at static pressure, so we want to check that every time and make sure that we're properly moving the right amount of air through here so that you can be comfortable in your own home and not overpay on your utility. So please get your tune-up done and then follow it up with an annual maintenance program. See you on the next video.